Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can log your Facebook profile and set up some important settings on your Facebook account. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. At bottom right, tap the three lines. Then tap settings and privacy. Then tap settings. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility, tap followers and public content. There is some important settings we have to arrange it. First, who can see your followers on your timeline? It's important to change it to only me or friends. Depends on you. Save. Public post notification. I only need friends. Then save. Public profile information. You can select friends or friends of friends. Save. Show most relevant comments first. Okay. Come back. Then from profile and tagging, we have so important settings. Who can post on your profile? Change it to only me. Then save. Who can see what other posts on your profile? Friends or only me? Friends of friends. Depends on you. Save. Tagging and implicit mentions. It's so important. Who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile? You can change it to friends. Save. Review tags people at your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. It's so important. Yes, make it on. Review posts you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. It's okay. Now we arrange it the settings. Then here we have profile locking. Lock your profile. Yes. Now my profile is locked. That's all. Have a nice time.